Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, I'm Taylor and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be taking you guys with me to shop at Burlington's. So I will be showing you guys all the beauty products I find at Burlington's today. Skincare, makeup, hair care, a little bit of everything in the beauty section at Burlington's. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I found, just keep watching. But before we start the video, don't forget to hit that like button down below and subscribe because I would love to have you. Also make sure if your post notifications turned on so you don't miss an upload. I upload new TJMAXX and Marshalls and Burlington's videos every single week, so you definitely don't want to miss that. Without any further ado, let's start this Burlington Shop With Me video. So I am going to be starting with makeup, and the first thing I found was this BEBE mascara and eyeliner set. The set was $4.99, and I could not find it to compare it on anything online. This is no longer sold. That's probably why Burlington's has it. But then there was also this BEBE eyelash set. There's several different eyelashes, different styles in here for $5.99. And then we have this Maybelline Great Lash Mascara. This mascara is around $6.99 at Ulta, but it was only $3.99 here at Burlington, so it was like half the price. Next we have another mascara. This is the Maybelline Volume Express. Also, this mascara was at Ulta for around $7.99, but it was also $3.99 here at Burlington's. Now there is this Milani Stay Put Brow Pomade. I didn't even know they had pomade in a pencil form, but this was $8.99 I believe at Ulta, but it was only $2.99 here at I don't know why I said TJMAXX, Burlington's. So that's a pretty good deal. Next we have some e.l.f. lashes. So this is a Luxe Lash Kit, and I couldn't find this anywhere on the internet, but the closest thing I found was a natural lash set, and I believe it was around $6, but it's only like $2.99 here at Burlington's. Now we have these lashes by Kara Beauty. They are called Fabulashes. I love the name of that, and these lashes look super cute. They were $5.99 on their website, but they are only $2.99 here at Burlington's, so that's a pretty good deal for some really cute lashes for only $2.99. Next we have some more lashes. These are by Kiss. These are blowout lashes. They are called Page Boy. These Kiss lashes are usually around like $6-7 at Walmart, Target, but now they were only $3.99 here at Burlington's. Now we have some LA Colors Brow Pomade. This pomade, I swear I've seen this at the Dollar Tree for $1, but anyways, Walmart had it for around $3 almost, but it was only $2.99 here at Burlington's, but I swear I've seen it at the Dollar Tree for only $1. Next we have just a bunch of different eyeshadow palettes. They had a bunch of different ones. Mostly everything was BEBE. They did have some other brands, but there was a lot of different kind of bigger eyeshadow palettes you could buy a whole set for. And then they had some face palettes, highlighters. Like I said, mostly everything was BEBE. There are a couple other brands that I've really never heard of. Next, we have this brand right here, and I'm not even going to attempt to say it because I know I'm going to say it wrong, but I've never really seen this brand. I wasn't sure if it was a popular brand or anything, but these were $5.99 here at Burlington's, and the comparative price of these were like $20 at Target. Next we have this Milani Prime Shield. I really do like Milani foundation, but I've never used this primer. I don't think I've used any primer from Milani, but this was only $2.99, so that's a pretty good deal for some primer. I know it's way more than that at Walmart or Target, you know, if you were shopping for Milani products. Next we have another Milani. This is a baked blush. This was around like $10 on their website, I believe, but it was here for only $2.99, so that's a really good deal. And this was a really pretty color. I really like that color. It's like a light pinkish peaches color. Next we have, this is another Milani product. This is a like basically a cream to powder like foundation conceal. This was $10.99 on their website, and it was only $3.99 here at Burlington's. Next we do have some more of that brand that I'm not even going to attempt to say the name of, but this was like a dream, it's called Dream Beams Cream Highlight. It was around $10 on Target's website, but it was only $3.99 here at Burlington's, and it was a very pretty pink color. I really like that. Next is that same brand again. This is a tinted moisturizing lotion with SPF in it. It is water resistant also, that's pretty cool, but this was like $15.99 at Target, and it was only $4.99 here at Burlington, so that's another pretty good deal. And this is my first time seeing this brand here at Burlington's. I've never really seen it before. I've never even seen it at Target. But anyways, next we have it again, and this is a cheek palette. It was only $3.99. It has 3 different shades in it. I'm assuming it's blushes and maybe some highlight, but it was only $3.99. Next we have this, and I'm not even going to try to say this brand either. This is a Shade and Shine palette for $3.99. I could not find any comparative prices online. I think this was an older product that has been discontinued, so that's probably why Burlington's has it. But next is that same brand again. This is a Pink Paradise Mineral Blush Quad palette. It was only $4.99, and again, I could not find any comparative prices on this product online. I couldn't even find it online, so I definitely think it was an older product that's been discontinued for a while. Next we have some more Milani. I'm finding a lot of Milani products here today. There's this is like a lip gloss. The one is a metallic and the other one is a matte. The metallic one's like a really pretty shimmery like nude color, and then we have a hot pink, and then they also did have a red one up here too, and they were only $2.99. Next we have these beauty treats. I don't really think that's that popular of a brand. This is like a lip oil set for only $5.99, so that's a pretty good deal. I know a lot of people like to just use lip oil instead of go all out with some crazy lipstick, so that's a pretty good deal. I've never tried that brand, I don't think, before. Next we have this lip balm set for $4.99. It comes with 5 different lip balms, and I think that's a pretty good deal. They look like all good scents. I did buy a lip balm set here a while ago, and I really did enjoy it. Next we have some more BEBE products. This is a whole set for highlight. It looks like a powder highlighter with a brush, and then you have a liquid highlight, and it was only $7.99. And again, I could not find any comparative prices online, so I think this was an older product that's been discontinued for a while, but it looks like a really beautiful highlight. Next we have some Ardell Nail Addicts premium press-on nails, and actually I've done a whole video with these press-on nails right here exactly that you can check out on my channel, a whole review on it, but they were only $5.99, and I know I did buy them for closer to $8 at Target like several months ago, but I really like that purple set. And then there is this set right here in this style. It's the same premium press-on nails. They are $7.99, but they are only $5.99 here at Burlington's. Now we have this LA Colors press-on nails. They are in like a nude color. I've never tried this specific style of the LA Colors press-on nails, but they were on clearance for only $1.99, so you really can't beat that. That's a really good deal, but they were also open, so I'm not sure if all the contents of the package was there or not. Things could have been missing. But next there is this LED nail dryer that has 3 times settings. Looks like a really nice LED light for only $9.99. I think that's a pretty good deal. I know when I originally bought my nail light, it was like over $100, but I did get a name brand one. Now we have this is Olivia Rose. I'm not familiar with that, but this is a portable nail polish dryer. So this is just like regular nail polish. It not gel nail polish like the other one. This is just regular nail polish that it basically just dries your nail polish faster. It was only $4.99. Now we have this is a Conair Mini Pro Smoothing Hot Brush. So basically it is a straightening brush. I did have a straightening brush and I just never really used it that much, and I accidentally almost dropped my phone right there. But anyways, it was purple. It's really cute. It was only $16.99, and I know the one I found was at Kohl's and it was $19.99, I think, so not much of a price difference. Next is this Wet Brush Mini Detangling Brush. They are around $4.99 at Target, but this one was only $2.99, and I've never tried one of these brushes, so I don't know if it like really is a detangling brush. I've never tried it, so that would be cool to know. Next we have some more Olivia Rose. These are just regular hair clips for $2.99. I use some of these when I'm like putting my hair back when I'm doing my makeup or something. Now we have an Impressions Vanity Touch 2.0 Infinity Mirror, and actually I just bought one of these in white a while ago off Amazon, and I did pay like $40 for it. It was only $14.99 here at Burlington's, and I was super surprised because this is like the first time I've ever seen an Impressions Vanity product at Burlington's. Now we're going to be getting into some skincare, and this is an Australian Skin Clinic Facial Serum Trio. I've never really heard of this brand or anything, but it was $9.99. It looked like really good for like skin stuff. And then now we have some Pond's Dry Skin Cream. So this is basically like a moisturizer. I've used the Pond's makeup remover that is coming up next. I did find that as well. I've used that and I really do like that to take off makeup. It works really well. It was actually cheaper here. I mean, it was more expensive here at Burlington's than at Walgreens, so that's actually pretty surprising. You don't see that too often. Now we have some L'Oreal Age Perfecting Cell Renewal. This was $17.99 on Target's website, but it was way cheaper here at Burlington's. Next we have the Cream Shop eye cream. This is like a night eye cream, I believe. It was $10 on the Cream Shop's website, but it was only $4.99 here at Burlington's. And I've never really tried that many of the Cream Shop products, but they do have a lot of great things, I've heard. Now we have this Dove Cool Essential 48-hour deodorant spray, and it was a 2-pack for $6.99 compared to usually at the store you can only buy one for $6.99. So that's a pretty good deal. Now we have this. It's called Sunday Rain Mango Coconut Body Butter. I've never heard of this brand. I don't think it's too popular. It was only $3.99, but I thought it was pretty cool because body butter is like super popular right now. And they also had that same brand, same scent in a scrub form, and it was also only $3.99. Now we have this Pacifica Ocean Citrus Body and Pillow Mist. I couldn't find it anywhere except for Amazon had it for $13, but it was way cheaper here at Burlington's like usual. We have some more of the Cream Shop. This is called Bubble No More Trouble. This is a clay mask. It was around $15 on their website, but it's only $4.99 here at Burlington's. So these are the Neutrogena Deep Cleansing Makeup Removing Wipes, and I think they kind of came up with a new look for these because I could not find this look anywhere, but they were $7.99 on Neutrogena's website, and they're only $2.99 here at Burlington's. Alright guys, that is all I have for you in today's video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button down below and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.